YouTube, it's Erin. I am the handbag housewife and I have a great video in store for you today. And I just wanted to let you know that in addition to the information on the video, I wanted everyone to go check out a friend of mine's channel, Agent Bag Reviews, because she has a great new video coming out about Longchamp and her collection. And one of the two bags that I'm about to open is that brand. So if you like Longchamp, please go check out Agent Bag Reviews channel. She has a lot of knowledge and a great collection. Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I'm the handbag housewife, and I've recently sold 2 of my bags. And so what did I do? I bought 2 more. So I'm going to unbox them with you today and I'm super excited. And I even dressed to match one of them. So without further ado, I'm going to open them up. Now, there are 2 brands here that I love. One of them is Tory Burch and the other one is Longchamp. And because I don't have my glasses on, I'm not going to know which one it is that I'm opening until it's opened. So it'll be just as much a surprise for me as it is for you. I hate that I have to wear glasses now. Once I turned 40, something happened and my eyes just went to hell. So, okay, I gotta show you. This came from the Tory Burch outlet in Nebraska. Thank you, Christina. She wrapped this beautifully. I'm super excited to see what I've got in here. She included a pretty bag and she put it on top so it didn't get all wrinkled up. And I know I've told you before that one of my favorite bags from Tory Burch is the Willa bag. And the reason for that is the leather. The leather is amazing. I've compared it to Chanel Caviar. It feels so good to the touch, and what can I say? I just love it. And so I have 4 Willa bags. I had 6 at one time. The 4 that I have are all this style. And I sold 2 of them. I sold my green one because it was just a little bit too bright of a green for me. The color was arugula. And if they came out with Norwood or Pine, I would probably buy a Willa in that color. But for now, I've got my soft Fleming in the color Pine, and I'm going to stick with that for my green, as well as my Coach Tabby Top Handle 20, which is also in the color green. They get real creative with their names over at Coach, and they call a green bag. They call the color green. So anyway, without further ado, this is the Willa Top Handle bag. Now, when I got pictures of it from the store, this bag was displayed with another color, volcanic stone, and another color, oh gosh, it begins with an R. I can't remember it right now, but it's basically a mint color in it, and I don't know why it begins with an R, because the word that it's called doesn't even remotely resemble mint in my mind. But this one is called Pink Magnolia, and I do think it is a beautiful color. But in the photos from the store, it looked like it was lilac in color. So I kind of knew going into it that the photos were not true to color, because Christina let me know that, the good sales associate that she is. So I'm going to give it a little Autumn Beckman spin, as a lot of YouTubers like to say. It's got a generous back pocket. I'm not sure if my phone will fit in it sideways, but it certainly would fit in it vertically. And these Willa bags, they all have a leather flap, and then on the interior they have almost like a nylon interior, and it has the Tory Burch logo kind of stitched or embroidered into it. This bag comes with a crossbody strap, and I have owned this bag before in the red color. It probably wasn't called red, but honestly, I don't remember the name of it anymore. It has this crossbody strap with the leather bits. It's a little bit warped right now, but it'll get its shape if I just hang it hang it vertically. So the strap connects up here at the top, and for me, I'm 5'8". It's a short crossbody, like meaning it's gonna hit me like right here, just a little high, but I'm okay with that with little bags. I actually kind of like that look. So I'm looking her over. Christina looked her over really good for me, and I'm gonna put her full name. You can look her up on Facebook Messenger and message her if you want something. But she looked the bag over for me to make sure that it didn't have any imperfections in the leather, and I appreciate that because I'm very picky. So I love it. It's the Tory Burch Willa, and I think it's just the Willa top handle. Let me see. I got the tag here so I can tell you. Willa Mini Top Handle. And the retail is $4.28, and she was on sale for $2.99 with an extra 10% off because it was VIP weekend last weekend. But now she should be $2.99 plus tax. So there's bag number 1, and I've got some other stuff in here, and it might just be one of the things is for you as a viewer. Okay. First, I've got a cool mask, and I like that. I'm going to keep that. I think I'll use it. And a nice note. It looks like probably just my receipt, but could be a note as well. Yes, a very nice note from Christina, and I may pronounce her name wrong. Aguilar is how I'm guessing, but I'll put her full name spelled correctly in the comments box. And then I've got this. This is a fabric canvas type tote bag, and this is what I'm going to use for my giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I will let you know in the future as I get close. I just went over 500 recently, but when I get close, I'll let you know, and this will be my first giveaway, and I'll have some way of you guys entering in the comments or on Instagram. I need to figure that out. Anyhow, so now we're on to bag number 2. Okay, we're on bag number 2. So this must have come from bagshop.com or Petticoat Lane. They're an authorized retailer for Longchamp, and you can actually get bags from them. Sorry, I've got hair in my mouth. You can get bags from them from Longchamp that are sometimes current season, sometimes past season, but they have a discount code on their website a lot of times, and you can get things for a discount off. And you might want to call them because they may be able to help you even more than what their website is saying, or they may not be able to. But they're a great company. I bought several Longchamp extra small bags from them. They've special ordered one for me, and I bought a few from their inventory. I bought a tote from them, and I bought another extra small. Well, I guess they had it in stock. I bought my Turtle Dove extra small from them, and I special ordered my beige, or they call it ivory croc, from them. And so this one, it wasn't a special order. It was one that they actually had in stock at the store, but they'd had it long enough that it was on sale, which is really nice. So it never hurts to ask. It wasn't on their website. So they do have things sometimes that are just not on the website. And so if you like a particular style, you might say, hey, do you have any of such and such in a different color or different size? Because you just might not know what they will have until you ask. So here it is. It had a little piece of padding on the top, and I kind of snuck that out of there without showing you. And then it's got some more padding on this side. So they did a really good job of packing. And ta-da! Okay, got to turn it around. I'm getting goosebumps. I love these bags. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm noticing something here. This is the first Longchamp extra small that I have felt that has a strap that is soft. Like, not stiff, I guess that's not true. My quilted Longchamps have really soft straps, but all the nylon ones, the straps are really stiff on this extra small size. And the croc ones, the straps are very stiff. The quilted ones are not stiff. But this is one of the first leather ones I felt that has just a super nice strap that moves, and I can tell that that's going to feel good on my body. Okay, I got to give it a sniff. I didn't sniff the Tory Burch. Oh, this smells wonderful. Let me smell the Tory Burch. The Tory Burch does not really have a smell. This one smells better. Both are equally cute. So, this one retailed for $5.10. I got it for 30% off. Oh my gosh, it is just so stinking cute. It has this little, I'm going to have to play with it a little bit to get it to lay the way I want. But it has this little clochette, and then it's in a beige color. It's called Grease, but it's very beige. The turtle dove was also called Grease on some foreign websites. And so I was a little worried that it was going to be gray and black, so I didn't order it initially. But I'm really glad that I called back because it is definitely more of a tan and black. And so it kind of reminds me of the colors of the Chanel shoes that are tan with black toes. It does have silver hardware. And I want to open this. I don't know if it's a snap. Yep. It looks like you could just put like nothing in there. You could put a little pill in there, but it might fall out and you might lose it. Maybe put a $50 in there or something like that. It's just purely for decoration. So, okay, see, look at my outfit. I'm styling today. Oh boy, it matches. And I would try it on crossbody, but I have a Longchamp collection coming up, and I'm going to show all of these extra small bags, and I might possibly include the other 4 Longchamp bags I have just because there aren't very many. And that's going to be a collaboration with JOSHIE Michael, which I'm super excited about. Anyway, I'm going to do probably a little bit of trying on then. So for now, I'm just going to sign out and say thank you, Bag Shop. Thank you, Christina at the Tory Burch Outlet in Nebraska. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you, my subscribers and my viewers. Please give me a huge thumbs up, a huge like, that is. And then also, I would really love it if you could subscribe to my channel, The Handbag Housewife. Thanks so much, and have a good day.